Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBud143. You are watching Gmail tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to archive emails in our Gmail account. Log into your Gmail account. Archiving allows us to organize our inbox by moving the messages into our archive, which we may need again in future from our inbox. To archive an email, simply select an email and click on Archive option, displaying on top of the list of our inbox messages. Conversion archived, and the email will disappear from our inbox, including from any of the categories we might have. Not only this, we can also select multiple emails to archive them. 3 conversations archived, but no need to be panicked. We can find and view these emails from all email label under inbox section. Here it will show list of all of our emails in the long list. One thing remember that we are also able to view these archived emails under any separate folder we create using Gmail labels. Let's check in Cherry. Here it will show the emails along with the archived emails. By using this feature, if someone responds to an email that we have archived, then the conversation will reappear in our inbox automatically. Whereas with delete, emails lost forever once we empty from our trash folder also. So rather than deleting the emails, if you want to hide them, we can archive the messages instead. We can also find the archived emails using the search bar. Please type -in sent space -in draft space -in inbox. Then it will show all the archived emails, and we can also add the has no user labels to our search query to remove any emails that already have a category label. But we can view these categorized emails in the labeled folder even if they have been archived. Again, to bring the archived emails into our inbox, come to all emails, select the archived emails, and on the top click on move to inbox option. 2 conversations move to inbox. Let's check it, and we get back the archived emails into our Gmail inbox. Like this, we can archive emails in our Gmail account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click a like button and share this video with your friends. ITBird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.